In this video, I'll show you how to put number page in Microsoft Word. So there's only one page, so I'm going to add up like two more pages. I'll show you what I actually mean. So there are three pages here. So if you love to add up numbers, you can see my numbers are currently numbered. This is number 1, number 2, number 3. And even if I add up a new page, it's going to show number 4 as well. So you can see it. So if you love to achieve this, what you need to do, go to your page layout. You're going to be able to see line numbers. Click on it. So you're going to be able to see continuous. So once you click on continuous, each new page you add is going to have its own number. So to show you that what I just said now is actually working, I'm going to add up like 3 more pages. 1, 2, 3. So if I scroll down, I'm going to show in page 6. Okay, page 7. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe.